There are no pipes here. There is no well. It has not rained a single drop in 4 days. But look closely. Pure, cold water is dripping into this trough, slow and steady, all night long. It is being pulled straight out of the thin air. The exact cost to build this infinite water machine was just $12. Does that sound absurd to you? There is a brutal truth being actively suppressed by massive corporations. The largest clean water reservoir on Earth is constantly floating right above your head, and it is completely free. They want to sell you noisy $3,000 machines and trap you into paying monthly utility bills, while nature has always provided the perfect answer. It is time we finally unearth a survival secret that they purposely buried. Let us take a journey far away from the fragile modern grid and the expensive utility bills that drain your bank account every single month. The truth is that human beings have known exactly how to pull pure drinking water from the invisible air for centuries. And they did it in the most unforgiving environments on Earth. Consider the ancient Incas, who lived high up in the towering Andes Mountains, where the air is thin and the ground is incredibly dry. They did not have the luxury of deep wells or modern electric pumps. They survived and thrived by building massive and intricate stone structures that were specifically designed to force the heavy mountain fog to condense and leave behind life-saving water. They harvested the sky itself. Now travel across the world to the blistering heat of the Negev Desert. For decades, archaeologists uncovered strange Bronze Age rock formations and assumed they were just old, dried-up wells. They dug deep, expecting to find ancient groundwater reserves, but they found absolutely nothing but dry earth. It took them years to finally realize the shocking truth. Those stone structures were never meant to hold water from the ground. They were ancient dew collectors, engineered perfectly to wring out the moisture from the cold desert night air. These people were building machines to create water from nothing. This forgotten technology did not die with the ancients. Even today, in the remote coastal villages of Chile, or high up in the rugged mountains of Morocco and the rural stretches of Ethiopia, there are communities that the modern electrical grid has completely ignored. The wells have run dry and the rivers have vanished, but the people have not panicked. They still use fog nets and dew harvesters every single night. They pull their daily drinking water straight from the atmosphere, using nothing but the natural laws of the universe. They survive in absolute independence, while the modern world remains entirely chained to a system of fragile underground pipes and massive corporate water monopolies. You might be thinking that pulling gallons of water from the air sounds like magic or some exaggerated internet myth, but I promise you, it is nothing but raw, brutal, and undeniable physics. You have actually witnessed this exact scientific phenomenon every single day of your entire life, but you were never taught to connect the dots. Think about a glass of ice water sitting on your table on a warm summer afternoon. Within minutes, the outside of that glass is dripping with heavy condensation. Think about the thick layer of dew that covers the grass in your backyard every morning before the sun gets high enough to burn it off. Think about a spiderweb glistening with heavy silver droplets at the break of dawn. That spiderweb is doing the exact same thing that a massive $3,000 commercial atmospheric water generator attempts to replicate, using loud, expensive compressors and power-hungry electric fans. The air surrounding you at this very second is completely saturated with invisible, suspended water. The atmosphere of our planet holds roughly 37 billion gallons of fresh water at any given moment. Let that number sink into your mind. That is more fresh water floating in the sky than every single river on Earth combined. It is an infinite ocean hovering right above your roof, just waiting for the right conditions to let go of its heavy load. The science relies entirely on a thermodynamic threshold known as the dew point. When the warm, moisture-rich air hits a surface that is sitting at or below that specific temperature, the water vapor undergoes a rapid phase change. It has absolutely nowhere else to go, so it drops out of the air, turns into a liquid, and begins to drip. And the most incredible part about this atmospheric water is the unmatched purity. Because this water is formed directly from the vapor in the sky, it has never touched the contaminated ground. It has never passed through decades of agricultural chemical runoff. It has never flowed through rusty municipal pipes or been treated with harsh industrial chlorine. It is raw distilled moisture, handed directly to you from the atmosphere. So if this massive invisible ocean is floating right above our heads, and the science is this simple, why were you never taught how to harvest it? The answer to that question is infuriating, and it exposes the dark reality of our modern economy. This system works far too well, and it costs absolutely nothing to operate once it is built. You cannot put a meter on the morning fog. You cannot charge a monthly subscription fee for the humidity in the air. You cannot slap a patent on gravity and the natural drop in nighttime temperatures. The massive utility conglomerates have built an empire worth billions of dollars based entirely on the illusion that water is scarce and that you desperately need their infrastructure to survive. They want you trapped in a cycle of dependency, where you panic the moment the tap runs dry. The market is suddenly flooding with commercial water generators that cost thousands of dollars and plug into your wall to drive up your electric bill even further. They are selling you a heavily mechanized version of a process that nature provides for free. Over the last century, as indoor plumbing rapidly spread across the industrialized world and municipal water became the default standard, this incredible ancient knowledge was purposely marginalized. It was quietly packed away in a box and pushed onto a dusty shelf, because a truly self-sufficient human being is a terrible consumer. The corporations need you to stay helpless. They need you to view water as a product that must be purchased rather than an abundant universal right that can be harvested by anyone with a few simple materials. They convinced an entire generation to forget the sky and stare blindly at the pipes below the ground. I'm going to break down the exact blueprint for this system so you can bypass the corporate monopolies today. The entire project will cost you exactly $12, and you can find every single piece at your local hardware store. There are no moving parts, and there is zero electricity required. First, you need to buy a 6x6 foot piece of shade cloth mesh, which will cost you around $5. Do not cut corners here, because the mesh is the engine of the entire system. You want the tightest weave you can possibly find, something much closer to a dense window screen than a loose volleyball net. Next, you need 4 sections of 1-inch PVC pipe to build your structural frame, which should only set you back about $2. Grab a handful of heavy-duty plastic zip ties and buy a standard plastic gutter section for your collection trough, which costs around $4. Gather a few spare bricks or heavy rocks from your yard to prop the frame up.
That is your entire supply list. Now assemble the 4 PVC pipes into a simple rectangle, roughly 4 feet tall and 3 feet wide. You do not need expensive fittings because you can just securely zip tie the corners together. Now stretch the shade cloth mesh over the frame and pull it incredibly tight. You want absolute maximum tension across the entire surface, just like the skin of a drum. Secure the mesh to the PVC with zip ties every 6 inches. If your mesh sags, it will cause the water to pool in the center, which slows down the runoff and destroys your collection rate. Here is the critical mistake that almost everyone makes on their first attempt. They lay the entire frame flat on the ground. Do not ever do that. If the mesh is flat, the water simply pools on the surface and evaporates the moment the morning sun hits it. You must tilt your frame at a 15 to 30 degree angle, like you are leaning it slightly against an invisible wall. This shallow angle allows gravity to catch every single droplet that condenses on the mesh and pull it down into the plastic gutter, waiting directly beneath the bottom edge. Walk around your property at dusk and feel the direction of the evening breeze. You must face the front of the frame, directly into the wind, so the humid air pushes straight through the mesh instead of just flowing around it. Prop the entire structure at least 1 foot off the ground, because the air, right at the soil level, is too warm and dry. Set this up right before the sun goes down, and let the cold night do all the heavy lifting. If you live in an urban environment and worry about dust or traces of pollution, you can build a perfect biological filter in 5 minutes for just $3. Cut the bottom of a plastic water bottle and flip it completely upside down so the neck points to the floor. Stuff a tight layer of clean cotton down into the neck. Pour in a thick layer of activated charcoal, which you can buy at any aquarium supply store. Add a layer of fine, clean sand and top it off with 1 more layer of cotton. Pour your harvested morning dew through the top and let it slowly drip out of the neck into a clean glass container. That simple filter will strip out particulates and absorb chemical impurities instantly. If you want absolute paranoid certainty, just boil the water or add a single drop of unscented household bleach per liter
and wait 30 minutes. You have just created a completely off-grid, endless water supply that filters perfectly for less than the cost of a fast food meal. Here is the raw truth about survival that nobody in the modern preparedness industry ever wants to admit to you. Your physical supplies will always run out eventually.
The heavy cases of bottled water sitting in your basement will eventually be empty. The expensive water filters will clog, and the municipal grid will inevitably fail during a major crisis. But knowledge is an asset that can never be depleted. When you understand the basic physics of the universe and learn how to wring clean drinking water straight out of the invisible air, you achieve a level of permanent independence that money simply cannot buy. You no longer have to worry about supply chain collapses, or poisoned municipal reservoirs, or utility companies jacking up their prices to satisfy their greedy shareholders. The sky will never send you an invoice. The morning dew will never ask for a monthly subscription fee. Building this simple machine is not just a neat weekend project, but a profound rejection of a fragile and exploitative system. It is a declaration that you will no longer outsource your basic human survival to corporations that do not care about you. If you are the kind of person who believes that real, vital, practical knowledge is being purposely erased from our culture just to protect the revenue streams of the elite, then you already know exactly what you need to do next. Leave a comment down below and tell me exactly where you plan to build your own atmospheric dew harvester. Subscribe to the channel right now and share this video with anyone who needs to hear the truth. Because the next forgotten survival system we are going to uncover goes even deeper than this one.